Now we will learn that how to use the options which are in Design tab. In Page Setup group, we have option Page Setup. Here we can see Slides sized for On-Screen Show 4 by 3. Here we have to select size of the slide. Again I am selecting this one. Like this, we can give width, height. Suppose I am giving width 8 and height 6. And we can also select slide orientation, either portrait or landscape. And now it shows the slide in portrait. Again I am selecting landscape. Next we can apply different types of themes. I am selecting this one, and if we click on this arrow mark, then we can see different types of themes. Like that, we can select colors, font, and effects. These effects are applied according to the content in the slide. So, we can change the effects for the particular theme. And we can also select background styles. With the help of this option, we can hide the background graphics. Like this, we can apply different types of themes and effects for a new slide or existing slide by using these options in Design tab.